Okay, in the last lesson, we introduced the Korean alphabet, but we focused on the consonants. So now we're going to look at the vowels, and again, how to make syllables, how to make characters and words in Korean. So, Robert, we have 6 vowels on our top line here and 4 on the bottom. Where should we start?
이거 which
we
did.
Right.
These 6 basic vowels.
Right.
I think that's the kind of 중요한 거예요.
Okay, the most important, right? So for a base understanding of written Korean, we can focus on these 6 vowels. So again, in the last lesson, we saw the a vowel. Always the same sound with our vowels, right? Okay.
그다음 요거하고 이거, these 2 guys are the ones that give a hard time my students.
Right.
네, 이거는 예요. 그래서 이렇게.
Yeah. Again, we can never just have a vowel by itself. So we need the consonant next to it. Even if this consonant gives us no sound, we still need to write it. So
어머니. 이, always 이, and 어머니, mother.
Mother, right. So same vowel sound for the first 2 syllables and the E sound at the end. So 이, 어머니.
How would you spell it?
I've seen it written EO. I think it sounds like UH in English, the sound, right?
이게 it's from government, what do you say? Romanization from
right.
The government education department. Yeah, when it's spelled like this in a Korean book, it's This means this one.
Yeah. So there are different kind of romanizations of Korean, but the EO is quite popular. So the Korean government uses the EO form. Okay. So anytime you see this in kind of Korean written into English, it's the sound.
그러면 what about 이거는? How would you say this?
Saw.
Yeah. Saw.
Yeah.
It's different. 이거 saw.
Yeah. I think it's a little stronger. It'd be more like an not right?
saw.
Saw. Right. Okay, so that's our sound. And like you said, Robert, these can be a little confusing, the and the sound. So
이거는
yeah. Not my favorite vowel, right?
그래서 이거는 영어이죠. 데스크 Konglish.
Yeah.
스크 이렇게.
All right. So the word desk in English, we treat it as 1 syllable.
Right.
When it's written in Korean, it becomes 3 syllables. So it's a good example of the sound. Instead of saying desk, kind of Konglish, Korean mixed with English, it becomes desk.
Yeah. 이거는 we're gonna do this combination vowel later, okay?
Right.
네, 에예요. 네, 영어로 there's no vowels here. 그렇죠? 그런데 이렇게 되면 we cannot say this, guys.
Yeah, so we always need more than 1 letter to make a vowel, or to make a character or a syllable. So we can't just have the consonant next to each other. We have to add this sound.
네, 여기 you adding there, then completely in a syllable.
Right.
그래서 데스, now we can say it.
Right.
그래서 크 again, 데스크. English.
Yeah, so you'll see as you learn more Korean vocabulary, a lot of the Konglish words they end up using this sound to add syllables. So pronunciation of English words in Korean, it's a little tricky. I mean, it's easy because they're the same words, but the pronunciation changes. So I think even the example of bus, right? Again, in English, we think one syllable, bus. In Korean, you can't just have the S sound at the end. It becomes bus.
네. 그리고 you might think, why don't you have S down here? 근데 이거는 but, but.
Right. Right, so things get a little more complicated here. We can't just have the S sound at the bottom and say bus. That actually changes
to D.
Yeah, to a D or a T sound kind of, right?
It has a representative sound,
Right.
which is D, the but.
So we don't get the S sound if we add it to the end of a character.
So we're going to do the representative sound later.
All right. So for now, let's get back to just looking at our vowels. So again, big difference here. O, 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 O.
O,
So I've seen this written again, maybe EU in English, right?
Okay.
Again, this was more
it's very
EO.
hard to spell.
Yeah.
근데 from the romanization, I think people spell it like this.
Yeah.
그런데 some, there can be many different spelling.
Right.
So no perfect one for this one.
Right. And maybe, for English speakers, I don't necessarily see EU and think but maybe written, it's often written EU.
And some people spell like this.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Right. It's important to know it's not the U sound.
It's
Yeah. It's Okay.
그럼 요거는 오예요. 오. 그래서 오. 뭐 이렇게 하면 소. 소 뭐예요?
Cow.
네.
Cow in Korean, 소.
네. 그래서 이렇게 되면 꿀렁. 그러면은 소고기.
Right. So just like so by itself is cow, gogi means meat. So sogogi means beef or cow's meat. So again, O-O-E, the vowel sounds, O-O-E, so-go-gi. Same consonant here too, right? Maybe here we can notice the vertical vowels and the horizontal vowels, right? So here's a vertical, horizontal. So placement of the consonant and vowel change depending on the vowels that we're using, right?
네. 그래서 이렇게 옆으로 horizontal. 항상 여기 밑에.
Right.
여기에요.
Yes. Horizontal vowels always come under the consonant.
이거.
Yep. Just like here, right? Or vertical, horizontal. So the consonant, no matter what the consonant is, it always has the same placement depending on the vowels.
그리고 이거는 이게 옆으로 horizontal 먼저 하고 그다음에 이렇게.
Right. The stroke order is again important, especially when you're learning how to write in Korean. This is like our O sound upside down.
이거는
우. Right. Like a long U sound, right? So 우.
I'm not sure if it's this one or this one. For me, it's very difficult.
Yeah.
To get this one.
Well, I would say it's closer to the double O sound. Again,
right.
long sound though, right?
우.
I don't really hear the W sound so much. So more just like a ooh.
그래요.
It's not so much the woo. Ooh. I think, to my ears at least.
우. 그래서 이거 water. 물.
Right. So again, two consonants with this horizontal vowel. So one consonant, the vowel comes afterwards, and then another consonant below.
그리고 이거는 O. 근데 요게 it's a little longer than this one.
Yeah.
그래 이게 짧으면 doesn't look good.
Okay. Yeah, so usually when you see the U vowel written, yeah, the vertical line's a little longer than in the O vowel.
그렇죠. 그래서 이게 이렇게 이게 almost in the middle.
Okay. Yeah. All right. And like I said, or like we said earlier, the stroke order is always important.
네.
So when we're dealing with vertical ones, the vertical vowels, it's top to bottom,
Top to
left to
bottom.
right,
네.
top to bottom, left to right.
네. 그래서 요거는 이거 먼저 해요.
Yeah.
left to right.
Okay.
그다음에 top to bottom.
Okay.
이거는 이거 먼저 해요. top to bottom and then left.
Right. So the rule being left to right, top to bottom.
네.
So in this case, actually, you would come with the horizontal left to right stroke and
네.
then the top to bottom.
네.
Okay.
So 우, 으, 이거는 이, always 이예요. 이.
So we saw before 어머니,
어머니,
이,
네,
or 소고기,
네,
이.
여기 이. 그다음 여기
Yeah.
네 개 있어요. These
Right.
four guys. 이거는 they have two short strokes.
Right.
그래서 그거는 그러니까 이거 플러스 이렇게 그러면 이게 이렇게 돼요.
Right.
Whenever you see two short strokes,
Yeah. So you can think of for the bottom
네,
vowels here, it's basically like putting a Y in front of the top line,
네,
right?
네.
So A becomes ya,
야,
becomes yo,
여,
O becomes
요,
and U becomes
유.
right.
네.
So like I said, it's just like adding a Y. So it's
네.
an extra stroke here. We see one extra stroke, one extra stroke, one and one.
네,
That gives it the Y sound.
네. 그래서 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유.
Uyu.
네, 우유. 우유 뭐예요?
Uyu is milk in
네.
Korean.
Okay.
Right? So again, U, extra stroke, U, 유.
우유. 우유.
And again, I've seen different ways to write the U character,
네,
the
네.
U vowel as well, right?
이렇게 해도 돼요. 이렇게.
Right. So sometimes at an angle for the extra stroke.
그리고 some people
Right.
그리고
Yeah. So again, handwritten Korean always
네.
complicates things.
네.
If it's the first time you're seeing it,
음,
it's hard to recognize exactly what the vowel is or what
네.
the letter is. But
네.
this almost looks to me like the hard K sound.
네, 맞아요.
Right.
네.
Okay, so
저거 볼까요?
yeah,
네.
we've got a couple of examples here. So our first example is toothpaste.
네.
Right, so I see my tube of toothpaste here.
네.
So how would I say toothpaste in Korean?
치약.
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 Okay, so up here I've got the consonant,
네.
the kind of CH. Chi.
Yeah.
So it's with our E vowel. Chi, yak.
약.
약.
medicine.
Right.
치.
Chi, teeth or tooth, right?
네.
So kind of like, it's like saying tooth medicine or medicine for teeth. So chi, yak.
네. 치약.
Yeah, and yak by itself means medicine.
네.
Okay.
그래서 이거 알아요?
Yep. So yakguk,
약.
which means a pharmacy.
네.
Right?
pharmacy.
So a place that sells medicine.
네.
Okay.
약.
So again, if we look at yak, we have our vowel,
네.
kind of the y, a,
네.
ya. We've also got the consonant here, the silent consonant.
네.
So again, we can't just start the character with a vowel.
Right.
So we need to put this, even if it's not pronounced. So yakguk. Okay. All right.
Mhm.
Got another example. So that's
네.
2 syllables, right? 치약.
Mhm.
Now we're going to look at an example here with 3 syllables.
네.
So looks to me like a computer.
네. 또 여기 있어요.
어.
컴퓨터.
Right. So in Korean, just like in English, computer becomes computer.
네.
Right.
근데 여기 이거 없어요.
Right.
이거 있으면 컴퓨터.
Right. So even in English, we say computer
네.
and the ER at the end.
네.
In Korean, it becomes more like computer.
네.
So if we were to put the RL consonant at the
네.
end, it would become computer.
안 좋아요.
Yeah.
네.
A little strange, right?
네.
Okay, so again, if we look at this syllable by syllable, come, so our hard K consonant sound, and the M sound becomes come.
네.
Here's our harder P sound with the U vowel, pu, and our harder T sound
네.
with the again.
네.
Right?
또 컴퓨터.
Computer.
네, 컴퓨터. 그리고 여기 떨어져 있어요. 근데 이렇게 해도 되고 이렇게 해도 돼요.
Right.
여기 이제 괜찮아요. 다. 근데 most people will do like this.
Right. Yeah. So again, handwritten
네.
and printed Korean will look differently,
네.
but sure, reads the same way.
네.
Okay.
네.
So those are our vowels, consonants, and an introduction to the Korean alphabet.